Turkey has demonstrated significant progress in its defense and aerospace industry. One significant achievement is its involvement in the assembly and development of a Boeing 737-based airborne early warning and control aircraft (AEW&C). This program reflects not only technological advancements but also Turkey's strategic ambition to strengthen its military self-sufficiency. The Boeing 737 is a vital element of a modern defense system, with advanced radar capabilities that can detect air and sea targets from long distances. This aircraft serves as the eye in the sky for the armed forces. Turkey has adopted a specially modified Boeing 737 platform to fulfill this function. The Turkish AEW&C program, often known as Peace Eagle, is a collaboration between Boeing and several local Turkish defense companies. In this project, Boeing is responsible for the aircraft's basic design and major system integration, while Turkish companies play a key role in assembly, subsystem integration, and final testing. Equipped with an advanced radar mounted on the top of the fuselage. This radar system is known as the Multi-Role Electronically Scanned Array, MESA, developed by Northrop Grumman. The MESA radar is capable of scanning areas up to hundreds of kilometers in multiple directions, simultaneously. In addition to the radar, the Boeing 737 AEW&C is equipped with a state-of-the-art communications system. This aircraft functions as an airborne command center that can connect various military units, both in the air, sea, and on land. The collected information is processed in real time and distributed to relevant units to support rapid and accurate decision-making. Network-centric warfare capabilities are one of this aircraft's key strengths. In this concept, all military elements are interconnected within a single integrated information network. The Boeing 737 AEW&C acts as the primary node collecting, analyzing, and disseminating battlefield data. In terms of operational endurance, this aircraft boasts long-range, long-duration flight capabilities. With the support of aerial refueling, the Boeing 737 AEW&C can operate for hours without landing. This is crucial for surveillance missions that require a continuous presence in a specific area. In addition, the Boeing 737 AEW&C aircraft features a self-defense system to counter threats. The aircraft is equipped with an early warning system for missile attacks and an electronic countermeasures system. This technology allows the aircraft to evade or disrupt enemy weapon systems, thereby increasing safety during operations. The aircraft's interior is also specifically designed to support military operations. It houses various operator consoles equipped with advanced displays and data analysis systems. These operators are tasked with monitoring the situation, identifying threats, and providing direction to combat units. An ergonomic work environment and intuitive technology help enhance crew effectiveness in carrying out missions. Operationally, Turkey uses AEW&C aircraft to enhance surveillance of its vast and complex national airspace. Turkey's strategic geographic position located at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and the Middle East makes the need for a reliable air surveillance system crucial. With AEW&C, Turkey can monitor activity in its border areas and detect potential threats early. One of the key companies in this project is Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAIC, which handles various aspects of aircraft production and modification. TAI's involvement allows for significant technology transfer, enhancing the capabilities of the domestic industry. Furthermore, companies such as Aselsan contribute to the development of the electronics and communication systems used in the aircraft. The program also has significant economic and technological impacts for Turkey. Through involvement in this high-tech project, local industry gains valuable experience in complex systems engineering, large-scale project management, and international quality standards. This opens up opportunities for Turkey to participate in other global projects in the future. Furthermore, the successful assembly and operation of the Boeing 737 AEW&C strengthens Turkey's position as a key player in the global defense industry. The country is no longer just a consumer of technology, but also a production partner and developer of advanced systems. This move aligns with Turkey's national strategy to reduce dependence on imports and increase self-sufficiency in the defense sector. However, this program also faces several challenges. Integrating advanced technology from various sources requires complex coordination and high security standards. Furthermore, geopolitical factors and international relations can impact the viability of technological cooperation. Nevertheless, Turkey has demonstrated its ability to overcome these obstacles through sustained investment and strategic policies. Overall, Turkey's assembly of the Boeing 737 AEW&C aircraft represents a significant milestone in the country's journey toward technological independence and a modern military force. By combining local expertise and global technology, Turkey has successfully created a sophisticated and effective air defense system. Going forward, this program is expected to lay the foundation for the development of more advanced aerospace technology and strengthen Turkey's position on the international stage.